Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing good. First of all, as you all know that we are starting our session from today and it's the first class of science today and we have two chapters that are included in our first periodic, which is chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. We are not going to discuss or explain the whole chapter in today's class. In today's class, we will be just focusing on the uh, 1/4 part of the topic. So everyone take out your books and open chapter number 1, Introduction to Science. Open page number 2 of the book. What is science? Science is the study of nature. Science is divided into many branches. Some examples are given below. Biology, the study of living things. Physics, the study of energy and natural forces. Chemistry, the study of matter. Geology, the study of structures of the earth. And astronomy, the study of stars, planets, moons, and other objects on phenomena in outer space. Okay. First of all, everyone, you should know that what is science? What is the meaning of science? Science is actually the study of nature, in which we study about the nature, about the facts of nature. And science is divided into many branches. It's not like when you guys were up in level 5, so we studied of the three branches, which was biology, physics and chemistry, but they are divided into many branches and some of them are given below. For example, coming to biology, whenever we are studying of the living things, either it can be humans, plants, animals or microorganisms. Okay, so it means that is the study of biology. But when coming to physics, whenever we are going to study about the energy or natural forces, okay, forces means push or pull, any kind of forces. There are many kind of forces which we discuss in level 5 as well. So it means that we are studying about physics. And chemistry, you all know that it is the study of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that is that occupies space and has mass. Okay, it either it can be solid, liquid or gas. Geology, the study of the structure of the earth, that how is earth made, what is its structure, is it round in shape or what. Okay. And astronomy, where the study of stars, planets, moons and other objects on phenomena in outer space. When astronauts study about stars, 8 planets, moon, sun, about them which are included in the outer space. Okay, so they study about them. Open page number 3 of the book. Look around you. Do you see the influence of science in many aspects of your life? Many machines and devices we use, such as buses, telephones, and computers, are based on scientific discoveries. Our fight against diseases has largely been carried out by scientific research. Scientists are continually making use of science and technology to solve global problems such as global warming and air and water pollution. Science is not just for scientists. Science helps us to understand the things around us, solve problems, and train our minds to think logically and systematically. Okay, students, whenever you are watching anything around yourself, around in your practical life, so we see that there are many kind of things that are made using the study of science. Okay, for example, computer, if you are taking buses, telephones, mobile phones, okay, they all are the technologies which are made using the study of science, right? And mm, mm, through science we cannot just discover or invent something, not the things like the devices as well, the machines as well, but science also helps us to uh, fight against diseases. Okay, uh, and scientists are regularly making use of science to solve the problems around us. For example, global warming, when it is coming, so it solves. Scientists also used to solve global warming. Scientists also used to solve air pollution. That how we can get rid of these problems. Okay, not science is helping us in inventing something. It is also helps. It also helps us to fight against some other diseases. And if we want to study about science, so science is not just for the scientist. Okay, science is not just for the scientist, but science is helpful for us as well. We are using telephones, we are using buses. It means that uh, that we are also making use of science.